Let's talk about the benefits of Shopify POS. If you're a store owner, chances are you've heard of Shopify Point of Sale. But what is it and why should you care? In a nutshell, Shopify POS is a point of sale system that allows you to sell your products in person as well as online. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are tons of benefits to using Shopify Point of Sale. Let's take a look at a few of them. The first benefit of using Shopify POS is that it's incredibly user-friendly. Unlike some other point of sale systems, which can be complicated and confusing to use, Shopify POS was designed with simplicity in mind. Setting up your shop and adding products is a breeze, and checking out customers is quick and easy. You can schedule a call to get all of your questions answered below. Another great benefit of Shopify Point of Sale is that it's highly customizable. You can choose from a variety of themes and colors to create a look that matches your brand, and you can also add plugins and apps to increase the functionality of your POS system. Finally, one of the best things about Shopify Point of Sale is that it integrates seamlessly with your online store. This means that you can manage all of your inventory, both online and offline, in one central location. No more juggling multiple systems or manually transferring data between platforms. With Shopify POS, it's all taken care of for you. As a store owner, there are a lot of things to consider when choosing a point of sale system. But if you're looking for something user-friendly, customizable, and integrated with your online store, well, Shopify POS is the way to go. It's simple to set up and use, and it will save you time and hassle in the long run. So what are you waiting for? Give Shopify Point of Sale a try today. Go ahead and use the link below and schedule your personal demonstration with an expert.